Early details of the Garmin Fenix 8 have reportedly emerged from an early listing on a Finnish online store, suggesting confirmed release dates. While the Garmin Fenix 7 and its AMOLED screen-bearing sibling, the Garmin Epix Pro, are still considered among the best Garmin watches, anticipation has been building for the Garmin Fenix 8 for several years. According to leaker Florian from the fitness tracker test website, the leak was spotted on Finnish retailer Multitronic's storefront, indicating that the new watch will launch in September 2024. The leak also suggests the Fenix 8 will be available in 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm sizes, similar to the Fenix 7. Color options listed include slate gray steel and black with a WU-Bulk Bendide prefix, likely meaning with black band. These size and color options indicate that Garmin aims to continue offering a variety of choices to appeal to different user preferences. The consistent sizes ensure compatibility with existing accessories, which is a thoughtful consideration for current users looking to upgrade without needing to purchase new bands. One notable aspect of the leak is the potential discontinuation of the Epix name. Florian speculates that Garmin will discontinue the Epix name, with the Fenix 8 featuring an AMOLED screen as standard, replacing the current Fenix's low-poly MIP screen. This move could streamline Garmin's product lineup, making it easier for consumers to choose between different models without confusion over naming conventions. An AMOLED screen as a standard feature would be a significant upgrade, providing users with vibrant displays that are easier to read in various lighting conditions. Florian also hints at potential pricing on his blog, mentioning a more affordable Fenix model equipped with the MIP screen to reduce costs, referred to as the Garmin Fenix E. This suggests that Garmin is looking to cater to a broader market by offering a range of models at different price points. However, the Multitronic leak only confirms the release dates and model information, without providing further details. Let's address this first. The Garmin Epix Pro is arguably the top premium running watch available and my personal favorite. It excels in every aspect related to running. Its robust build, extensive feature set, and superior AMOLED display make it a standout choice for serious athletes. For a Fenix 8 update to stand out, it would need a slightly enhanced AMOLED screen, similar to the latest Garmin Forerunner series, an improved heart rate sensor for better accuracy, and possibly an AI feature integrated into Garmin Connect to compete with the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and other adventure watches. Garmin already utilizes advanced personalization algorithms to suggest daily workouts, create running and cycling routes, and develop training programs. Incorporating AI would enhance these processes, making them more efficient, faster, and more detailed. An AI feature could analyze user data more comprehensively, providing more personalized insights and recommendations. This could include adaptive training plans that adjust based on the user's progress and changing fitness levels, or real-time feedback during workouts to help users optimize their performance. Another exciting possibility is the introduction of a solar model featuring Garmin's PowerGlass technology for extended battery life. PowerGlass, which converts sunlight into energy to prolong battery life, has been a game-changer for Garmin's outdoor watches. Integrating this technology with an AMOLED display would be a technical challenge, but if Garmin can successfully achieve it, users could enjoy the benefits of a bright, colorful screen without compromising on battery life. Overall, the leaked details about the Garmin Fenix 8 suggest that it could be a significant upgrade from its predecessors, with enhanced features that cater to both casual users and serious athletes. The potential discontinuation of the Epix name, the introduction of AMOLED screens as standard, and the possibility of AI integration and solar power are all exciting developments. As always, Garmin's focus on durability, performance, and user experience will likely make the Fenix 8 a strong contender in the market for high-end sports and adventure watches.